Okay, so now I'm going to install dryer slide. So for this I'm going to use the spacers. These are 2 inches of height. So I'm going to place like this, and my dryer height is 3.5 inches. So I'm going to place the spacers like this. So next you need to use the slides. So I'm going to first, before installing, just make sure you need to remove this part will go with the dryer. So just you need to remove this, and you just need to flip this. You can see here there's a latch here. Just flip it and just remove this all the way. So you need to remove this, keep it aside. So take this, and we need to place it like this. So, and also we want to make sure that I am going to place this one. I'm going to flush it with this edge, and same thing I'm going to do on other side. So you can see here, just like this. Okay, so now it's flush. Also ensure the you have it is level. I'm going to take that one. Yes, it's perfect plumb. So next I'm going to use a drill. Just mark this. So there are 3 slides and there are 3 tabs. Similarly, I did the other side as well. I remove the spaces. So insert this back. Similarly here as well. Oh yeah, wait. One more thing I just forgot to say, guys. So here as well you can see there are 3 this one. So you can just you can put 3 screws, and you can use any of these holes. Okay. I'm going to put a space between the base and my drawers. So you can put ½ inch or quarter inch or whatever it is. So I'm using the 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to take my drawer. So okay, so now, so you can see the drawer is flush to this edge. So just take a screwdriver. You need to remove this. You can just remove it by nails or a screwdriver. So you can see it comes out. So ensure this flush to the edge, or you can leave a gap. It's up to you, but I will just flush it to the edge here. You can see here. So once it comes out, take this one and just make a hole here. You can see here. Okay, just pre-drill it. Then take your drill, take the screw which comes with the skit. So just I'm going to screw this now. Okay, now just again. So now you can see here it's straight flush here. You can see this edge, it's flush here. Again pull it back. You can see it opens. Repeat the same process. I'll just again insert it here. Take the screw. Okay, so similarly we are going to, so there's one more here, so we can just drill there as well and just hook it. Similarly I'm going to repeat on the other side. Let's do one. So I finished gluing on both sides, so just remove the spacers which we had earlier and let us put it to test. And that's it. It's that easy. You can see. For a few times it will be very smooth. You can see here. That's it. So similarly I'm going to add 3 more drawers. So for this one, like, I'm going to add some spacers here. So I'm going to add 1 inch of gap here. So, and I'm going to repeat this the same procedure for all the remaining 3 drawers. Similarly, I made the other drawers or the sliders as well, as you're seeing in the picture. Later I did the face framing for them. If you want to see how I did the face framing, there's a link in the description. So this basically I made for my master closet DIY. As you can see here, if you want to go through the way I made the master closet, there's a link in the description. Please feel free to watch it. Thank you.